Alright, so this is going to be a quick chart breakdown for tomorrow, for New York session tomorrow, what I'm looking for. So the market has not opened yet. So if we can see that we were in bearish momentum for the DXY, I'll actually be probably zooming into this, and this looks like it's going down. I don't really know yet, but there's also a lot of exhaustion down here, so this could do this, then drop, or this could do that, then drop, or we could get break, retest, back up, hit this level, then drop. But I'm more confident in this setup right here. So looking at that, I can see, looking for a couple things here. Let's see. Like this is still kind of making lower highs. So it could get break. Retest. Drop. Or to right here. To this H4 zone or level. And then CR bullish push. Or we can just see there, and then you get our bullish push. So those are the two things I'm looking for. What I'll be looking to take trades from. If it breaks, I'll be looking to take sales off the retest to catch that. Or if it retests, or if it just goes up, I'll be looking, if it doesn't break, and I get some rejection right here, I'll be looking to go up. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to GU. C. GU. So look at our line chart. See where we're at. We did just break this level of support. So this could be. See if it's more clear on the 2 hour. So, I mean, we did get a momentum trend line break, like there, something like that, maybe. Shit. So this could be a break, pull back here, and then drop. So we could see a couple different things. We can see BAM, then CR, excuse me, thank you, then get our bullish push of this zone for a double bottom, or we can see a retest of this broken area of this broken area of this broken resistance turn support. Didn't go up. Or we could get to this level, retest, and a drop to this H4 level right here. And it'll be just a retest. So that's what I'm looking for. Trading what I see, not what I think. So that's what I'm looking for on GU. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so our next pair, TJ, which is at a created a H4 level of support right here. So what I'm looking for tomorrow is I can see that this is, see if I can get a better view of this. This is steadily making lower highs. So with that being said, I think it will probably break this level, retest. So let me get something like this. Break, retest, and I think this is a level of H4 support. There. Yep, it is. So I think we could potentially see that, or it come like right here or right here, or we could get just a retest to create a double bottom and then a bearish push. So we'll just have to see what happens. Remember, trade what you see, not what you think. So let's see. Our next pair is AU. So we're trying to see if this is a confirmed lower high. We are getting our, or it looks like we're trying to get our continuation leg down to fill out this range. This range of candles, so 201 pips. So, with that being said, what I'm looking for is, hopefully this gives me some kind of, this hits this level right here. Comes, oh shit. So there's a little level right here of resistance turn support. So hopefully we get a, comes down, retest, then we get our drop. And I'll look to go for buys up here. I mean sales up here. Or got kind of a momentum trend line. And our level of support's right here. Or we will get a break, a retest, a drop. then I'll be looking to get into sales from right here. So that's what I'm looking for on AU. Let's go to, so we can get that continuation leg. Let's see. NU. So, looks like I'm trying to confirm this to be a new lower high, so which means we have a range of breakout candles to fill. This much at least. So, what I'm looking for is either a drop from that zone, or if we go to the 1 hour, we could see something like that. Because of this level of resistance, turn support. Then come back up, create a double top, and then drop. Or we get a break. Excuse me. Break. And then we come back up to retest the daily resistance to create a, I guess that would be the triple top, that would be the third touch. Then we get our drop. So that's what I'll be looking for. And that's it. Also going to be looking at UCAD. I'll just run through it real quick. So, looks like we're trying to get our new lower high based off the daily. So we have a range of breakout candles to fill. Yeah, so I mean, UCAD is pretty bearish, so I would need for it to see some kind of pullback. So I'm hoping maybe it'll hit this level right here, pop back up, take a sell, down, and then maybe we start getting our bullish structure. So go back into our continuation. So that's what I'm looking at for UCAD. Once again, hit maybe this level of support right here. Rise back up. Take sales. Or goes back up. I don't even think that would even play out like that. Well, came back up to touch our trend line, but I don't really think it's going to get that far because that's a lot of momentum. Throat is killing me. Or we could get a little consolidation right here, create a zone, then get that drop.